report, we've added several online data tools that help display all of the data that's being tracked and identify valuable programs that we are keep making available online as a resource. The first one is a map of all of the programs that have been identified that have been shown to improve outcomes for kids. Since 2013, we have identified where these children attend school and have looked at the various programs that are available in those schools to support opportunity and positive outcomes for kids. So that includes high-quality preschool programs, optional extended day kindergarten, after-school programs, and access to school-based behavioral health specialists. And we've also identified where there are home visitation programs available throughout the state. The second online source is the indicators that have been identified to track progress on the Intergenerational Welfare Reform Commission's 5- and 10-year plan. That plan was released last January, and specific indicators in each of the 4 areas of child well-being were identified to align with those goals and measure progress. Or you can expand the view, as this is displaying, to see the chart for that particular indicator, why the indicator is being tracked, and an explanation of what we're actually measuring with that indicator. In our new online tool, we have disaggregated data for every county in the state of Utah, and we've also made some valuable planning resource tools available to any county that would like to develop their own plan to address intergenerational poverty. And we're hopeful that all of these online data tools will allow the public to keep track of the progress that's being made by the Intergenerational Welfare Reform Commission and have that data accessible to the public.
The program focuses on single mothers. It was a very emotional meeting as we talked with them and listened to their stories. The stories were powerful. To a mom who spent many years addicted to drugs, who is trying to change her life around for her child. Another mom who was in a very abusive relationship for many, many years and finally was able to get out and is looking for an opportunity to improve her life to provide for her 3 children. A young mother who didn't have a GED, and with the help of another program with Department of Workforce Services was able to get her GED in 6 months and is now in this program working to getting a job in medical device manufacturing. And finally, another young mother whose parents are both drug addicts, who has been homeless for the last 3 years, providing for herself, trying to get by, going through school, finding this program. And again, her determination to lift herself out of poverty and to provide for her children. It's incredible to see the success that's coming, the doors of employment that are opening to them in medical manufacturing as they work in this 13-week program. This is why we do what we do. This is what the Intergenerational Poverty Initiative is all about. It's about trying to change lives one at a time, lifting people out of poverty, breaking that cycle so that the next generation can experience the success and the hope, really. We talked a lot about hope in our meeting with those students today, and how powerful hope is to those that are struggling. And they found hope in these programs.